Hi guys, welcome to Software Jobs Training and I am Tanveer. I will be guiding you through the 8 weeks web development training course. At the end of this course, you will have mastered some of the very sophisticated techniques used to code modern web applications and websites. This course has been designed to ensure that regardless of your technical knowledge, you will remain engaged and learn various concepts. So as you can see that right now I'm on console and it is basically divided into 3 parts. On the left hand side you will see your lessons, so you can read about subjects and lessons, learn new concepts, and on the right hand side you will see the code that has been that is associated to the lesson that you are on, and at the bottom you can see the output of the code that you have written. Okay, so in this video we are going to introduce you about HTML. HTML basically stands up for hypertext markup language, and this HTML language is used to code and structure websites as well as web pages. We are going to learn this about this HTML in upcoming slides, so let me just go to slide number 2. Okay, so you can basically write HTML code in any text editor. It could be as simple as your notepad, or you can use some modern IDEs like Notepad++, Visual Web Developer, Sublime Text, or there's plenty of them, so right, but we have it covered for you, so no need to have any text editor or anything set up on your computer. You just need to log in into your SJD account and you can just start writing your code right away. So let me just give you an example. I'll write basic code over here. We're going to discuss these H1 thing later on, but currently you can just write in your code and make sure you hit this button. After all your codes, you will just have to save the document as .html extension. So each HTML document has this extension that has been highlighted, so it is .html. So your page will name it like will be named like my-first-webpage.html. so very simple. It has .html extension. It can be written in any text editor, or you can just write it into your SJD account. So let's discuss more about the HTML structure and HTML tags. So the entire page, the entire code that is written in HTML actually consists of tags, various tags. If you are going to start writing the HTML code, make sure that your first tag is HTML. This tag needs to be started as well as closed. So as you can see that there is a slash. This marks the end of a tag. Each tag that we have started needs to be closed. Okay, so I've started the HTML tag and then closed it. After this you can write the head tag, and this head tag actually provides the metadata which is not directly visible on the screen. Actually, it provides the data to browser about the website or the web page that you're writing. So if we are going to tell the browser that this page is a sample page, so we just need to define a title for this page, and I've written some title over here. You can just write your website name. This will not be directly displayed on the browser screen. It will be actually displayed on the top of the browser. As you can see that over here it says console software jobs training. So this title tag and head tags actually supply the data to the browser instead of directly showing them on the page. After this you can just write your body tag. So body tag is the tag inside which we need to write the code that is going to be directly displayed on the screen. Okay, so all those texts, all those images, tables, everything that you need to show on your page basically needs to be inside the body tag. And please make sure that body and head should be enclosed inside HTML tag. Okay, so this basically defines the entire structure of the page. So let me go ahead and type one heading. So H1 basically stands for heading. Okay, so the page heading could be anything. I'll just say welcome to HTML, and now we just need to hit this button that says run code, and here it is, our output that says welcome to HTML. Okay, so the HTML is basically all about starting tags, ending them, making sure that they're in the right order. So on the slide number 4, you will find a skill assessment that you'll just need to pass out. Okay, so you can just read out the skill assessment and write the code, and make sure you hit this button that says check my answer. In case you have any problems, you can watch the video for this, but I'm gonna leave this for you to finish. So I'm gonna just hit the skip assessment and we move on to the next slide. Okay, so as we have discussed so far, the HTML page basically consists of tags. So these tags are basically enclosed in less than and greater than symbol. So as you can see that here's the less than symbol, then the tag name, and then the greater than symbol. At the end of this tag we need to put a slash after the less than symbol, so that will mark the end of a tag. Basically any tag you just started needs to be closed, otherwise this can create or generate errors on your page. So please make sure that when you start a tag, make sure you close it also. Okay, let's move to the slide number 6. So far we have seen that we need to write tags and we need to close them, but there is a system to closing these tags. The system these tags follow is first in last out. So first in last out concept basically means that the very first tag that you have started needs to be closed at the last. So let's see this. We have written the HTML on the very first, and then it is closed at the very last. These tags basically are nested. So as you can see that head and title are nested inside each other. So the latest tag should be closed first. Here it is. After head, the latest tag that we wrote is title. So title needs to be closed before the head tag. The same will be followed for body. So the body will closed after closing of this anchor tag. Right, so all of these tags basically follow the system of first in and last out. On the slide number 7, you are going to find a skill assessment. So I expect that you have learned enough skills to actually take on this skill assessment, and we will learn more about HTML in upcoming videos. So thank you for watching.